Hey guys, I just want to do a quick update of what Fishvault has been sending in their boxes. So this is the May box. Let's open her up. Oh. A little hard to do one-handed here. So we open it up here. It's a little bit smaller box than we've seen on some of the others. So it looks like we're getting a nice little headlamp, a knife. These boxes, if you like headlamps or lighting materials and knives, is pretty good boxes for you. So let's kind of go through here. So looks like we got a little OTTERBOX here. These things are nice for having in a boat. KERSHAW knives. You'll see these guys a lot at Menards. Looks like they say the KERSHAW knives, an INNUENDO, 50 bucks. A little fishing journal that you can write in the rain. See if that ever gets used. I haven't traditionally been very good at using those. Fish Away foaming hand cleanser, odor free. That'll definitely be nice to have in the truck. Also some Fish Away hand wipes. We'll see how well they work. I got to go fishing twice yesterday, so some Le Mans. What's this? Drive coffee. For those of you who like coffee, I think that's the second coffee thing that's been sent since I signed up. And then this is the big item for the month. A headlamp valued at 70 bucks. So I'll kind of do a little zoom in. So I see a lot of questions. Are the boxes worth it? Are they not worth it? Well, you be the judge. If you like knives and different sort of lighting things, I would definitely say it's worth it. If you could pass in those sorts of things, like this, I probably wouldn't buy for myself, but it's pretty freaking sweet to have. Again, with the KERSHAW knife, I probably wouldn't buy a $50 knife because I tend to lose them on a very regular basis. But that's what they sent, so that's pretty cool to have. So that's what's in Fishvault's May box here.